Which word is incorrect in its sentence? With a question like this one, where we're being asked to select a single word that's incorrect, the first thing we want to do is see if there are any homophones among our choices. As a quick review, homophones refers to two or more words that sound the same when spoken, but are written differently and have different meanings. For example, for or whale. And indeed, we see two homophones in our choices, our and their. O-U-R can be pronounced as our or R, depending on accent, speed at which one is talking, and placement in the sentence, and means belonging to us, as in our house. A-R-E, on the other hand, is the present plural form of the verb to be. We are happy. Let's take a look at sentence 2 to see if O-U-R is the correct spelling in this context. 3 months before my wife was going to give birth to our second child, I felt that my family was in a rut. As we can see that the child belongs both to the speaker and his wife, we can see that this is the correct spelling of our, and this choice can be marked off. Let's take a look at their now. There spelled T-H-E-R-E refers to a place, over there, but when spelled T-H-E-I-R, it's the possessive form of them, their car. And when spelled T-H-E-Y'-R-E, it's a contraction of the words they are. Let's take a look at how it's used in sentence 13 to determine the correct spelling. As a father, having the ability to be there when they needed me has made me feel stronger. As the speaker is referring to being with his children, we can see that T-H-E-R-E, the spelling that is used in the text, is the correct spelling. This can be marked off as well. As we've eliminated our homophones, our next step would be to note any choices with incorrect spelling. Taking a quick look, we can see that our remaining choices are spelled correctly. So as a last step, we simply go through the remaining choices and see if they're being used appropriately in their given sentences. A, the word birth in sentence 2. 3 months before my wife and I were going to give birth to our second child, I felt that my family was in a rut. As the speaker is describing when he first made the decision to be a stay-at-home dad, we can see that it makes sense to be discussing the birth of his second child. This choice can be marked as incorrect. And C, the word quite in sentence 10. I took the plunge and quit my office job to be the primary caregiver for my children. Although their spelling is very similar, based on the context of the sentence, we can see that the speaker means to say he quit his job. As we can see that the word quite is incorrect here, we can mark this choice as our final answer.